For more than 90 years, IRWIN VISE-GRIP has designed innovative tools that are built to perform on the job. And IRWIN VISE-GRIP's next generation of cutting pliers are no exception. Made in Germany and backed by IRWIN's Lifetime Guarantee, the VISE-GRIP cutting pliers start with high-quality steel and are specially coated for superior rust resistance and longer tool life. Induction-hardened cutting edges are durable enough to cut ACSR, nails, screws, and even piano wire without damaging the cutting edge. Take on some of your toughest tasks with the Max Leverage Diagonal Cutting Pliers with IRWIN's exclusive Power Slot technology. Precision engineered, field tested, and tradesman approved, the Power Slot gives you more cutting power with half the effort versus standard cutting pliers, making it easier to cut even the toughest materials.
I'm Mason with Osborne Brothers Electric. Been doing electrical work for 16 years, and the Power Slot technology for me is one of IRWIN's best designs. After putting it through some heavy-duty metal, it's like cutting butter with these things. IRWIN done a really fantastic job with designing this tool.
Power Slot gives you the power you need to work more efficiently with less discomfort.
My name is Matthew Gibson. I own Gibson's Electrical and Lighting. We work 10-hour days. My guys work hard and fast. And after a full day's use of a normal set of diagonal cutting pliers, our hands get tired and they hurt. But IRWIN built this Power Slot technology diagonal cutting pliers that are just phenomenal. It has absolutely saved my wrist and hands to allow me to work a full 10-hour day and not go home in pain.
When the job calls for the ultimate in comfort, precision, and control, look to the Ergo Multi Long Nose Pliers to get it done. This innovative ergonomic design features a 62-degree angled head, delivering a more natural feel and reduced strain on the wrist. Every pair of IRWIN VISE-GRIP cutting pliers features industry-leading 3-zone comfort grips, delivering optimal cushion and control. The grips are equipped with patented integrated hooks designed to attach to the IRWIN Performance Lanyard System. This exclusive lanyard system helps prevent accidental drops when working in elevated conditions, helping to protect both workers and property from injury and damage. One cut and you'll feel the difference. IRWIN VISE-GRIP cutting pliers. Try them for yourself. VISE-GRIP cutting pliers, only from IRWIN Tools.